Hey everyone, Austin here. Today we're going to be talking about how you can create your very own affiliate marketing website in 2019 with no coding required. We'll be going over how you can do this step by step so that you can have your very own website up and running by the end of today. So let's dive right in. Alright everyone, let's get into creating the affiliate marketing website. For this, I've created a template site to help you walk through each of the 3 steps you're going to need to do to create your own website in 2019 with no coding needed. I'll have a link to this website in the description so that you can easily follow along with me and get this done as easy as possible. As we can see, the first step that we're going to need to get done is getting hosting and getting a domain name. Getting this, there are a couple different options that you can use for both hosting and domain names. I highly recommend Bluehost as I personally use that, and I think it's one of the better hosting services out there. But for this tutorial, you are free to use whichever hosting and domain you would like. I'm just going to be using Bluehost to show you how it's done and what you need to do. So go ahead and click the link and open it in a new tab, or just click it and it'll bring you to Bluehost. Once you're on the Bluehost website, it's pretty easy. There are a couple different hosting options that you can use for your website. For this tutorial, we'll be using Wordpress Hosting. That is the CMS we'll be using, or the content management system we'll be using. WordPress is the easiest solution that you can use for your websites, so that you can easily design it for an affiliate marketing centered website. So go ahead and click on WordPress Hosting, and it's going to bring you to a website where you can choose your plan. I'm not going to tell you exactly what plan you need or can get, because it's really up to you which one you should choose, and it really depends on what you're trying to do. I personally like the Choice Plus Pro. It's not much more expensive than the other options, and it comes with a lot of things that are really good for you to have. One of the specific things is unlimited websites, in case you need to create more than one affiliate website, or down the line you need to create more than one website. It's very good to have. The free SSL certificate comes with all packages, and that's very good because SSL will help you rank on Google later on. Unmetered SSD just means you can have as much storage as you need on your websites. You get a free domain for 1 year with the purchase of any of these plans, so your domain name will come with your website hosting, which is quite nice for the first year. And the rest of the things are just additional on top of those main features. So once you choose which plan you would like for your hosting, you just go ahead and select it, and it's going to bring you through the sign up and creation process. Here, you're just going to be entering your domain name into the text box, checking that it's available. If it is, it'll walk you through the account creation and the purchase of that hosting plan. And that's all you need to do to get your hosting and domain name set up so that we can move on to the next step, which we can just go back to our template and look at step 2, and that will be installing your CMS or content management system. In this case, we'll be installing WordPress. Alright, the next step in creating your website is installing your content management system, aka WordPress. And the first step, we got our Bluehost domain and hosting created, so we're going to be using that to start creating our site. So let's move over to when we finished our account creation with Bluehost, and you should see a screen similar to this. It may not be exactly the same because I've already created many websites with Bluehost, but you will get the option to install WordPress, and you can follow the wizard, which should look like this. From here, all you need to do is fill out the following information. We can ignore path name, as it's not going to be used for our first affiliate website. Your site title is going to be the name of your site inside of Bluehost. It's not actually going to be your website name, so just create a name that you like. Your username and password is going to be the username and password you use for your WordPress login, so make sure to remember what you put in. Your admin email is any email you're going to administrate your WordPress site with. Once you've entered that information, just go ahead and hit install WordPress, and you should have your site up and running in a couple of seconds. In this case, I see an error because the site already exists, but in your case, you should be brought to your website administration of this page, and we'll go further into how to design your website from that point in the next step. Alright, now that we have WordPress installed on our website, we can now begin designing our website, which is the third step. To access the website you've created with your WordPress installation, go to your browser and type in the domain name of your website into the browser and hit enter just like you would any other website. You should be brought to a screen that says coming soon, and that's because we have not set up our WordPress site with any design as of yet. Go ahead and hit admin login and log into your new website. In this case, we'll put in our test user information that we created in the form beforehand. Once we do that, we'll be redirected to the WordPress administrative panel. This is where you'll see everything you need to control your website. Alright, now that we've installed our CMS, we have our hosting and our domain, the last and final step to create our affiliate marketing website is to add a theme or design our website to be fit for affiliate marketing. I recommend using this theme that you see here. This is one of the themes that I've had the most success on when I'm building my websites. It's also a theme that requires no coding or anything else to be added so that you can start designing your website in any way that you want. You do not have to use this theme, and this theme is premium, so it will cost you a little bit of money to get, but I highly recommend using it if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing with this website. And also because it has no coding required. Stepping over into our WordPress installation, we can now install our theme. I'm going to be working with the elegant theme that you saw in step 3 so that we can install that theme and set up our website as quickly as possible. To do this, all you need to do is go to your WordPress administrative panel, go to Appearance, and then hit Themes. We're going to be uploading our custom theme that we downloaded from Elegant Themes so that we can have our website designed in a specific way. Go ahead and hit Upload at the top, and it'll bring you to a page where you can upload any themes that you have. Just hit Upload Theme again, and choose File. Once you've chosen your zip file, which you have downloaded from whichever theme you have, or if you're looking for a free theme or a premium theme directly integrated with WordPress, you can see the many themes below, and all you have to do is hit Install. But if you're uploading from something like Elegant Themes, just choose the zip file and hit Install Now. This will bring you through all the steps that you need to install this theme on your website and get it up and running with everything you need. As you can see, this took less than a second to do. All we need to do now is hit Activate. Once you activate the theme, the next steps are going to be setting that theme up and customizing it to your brand. Alright, once the theme has been done installing, now is where you can customize it. This is where the tutorial gets very specific. I'm going to be going over how you can do this with the elegant theme that we just installed called Extra. If you've installed any other theme, this won't matter for you, and you can just design it based on the theme that you have previously installed. In this case, what we want to do is deactivate Coming Soon and just see how our website looks so that we can go from there and design the website. So now that we have it deactivated, all we need to do is open the website and see what it looks like. In this case, once we open it up, we can see the extra theme that we just downloaded and installed. And of course, we're going to need to change the branding, change any of the customizations that we want, and then we can start posting to our heart's content for whatever affiliate marketing material that we have. Let's go back to the website and see how we can do this. There should be an extra tab that you see on the left-hand side of your screen. We can go up and hover over that and then select Theme Options. Under Theme Options, they have many different options that you can use to customize, such as logo, favicon, etc. I'll be creating a tutorial video specifically on how to go in depth with these customization options, as well as designing any other theme that you may have uploaded in a future video. But for now, the main steps should be fairly straightforward for you to go ahead and customize it to a basic degree. Alright, we finally have our website up and running. We have the hosting and domain, we have WordPress installed, and we have a custom theme that we've installed successfully on our website. All that's left to do is finish up any design options that you have, and now we can start posting content right away so that you can have your viewers see your website anywhere in the world. Thanks for listening. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and hit like. If you have any questions about how you can do this or any questions about the process, please make sure to comment down below. As always, I will see you guys in the next video.